Are you starting from scratch in 2026? In this video, I'll show you a simple system. The end goal is to make money with AI as a beginner. First, pick a simple money path. Don't overthink this step. Avoid getting stuck learning everything about AI. Choose from these beginner-friendly paths: faceless content channels like YouTube and TikTok, digital products like ebooks and templates, freelancing services such as AI writing or content creation. If I were starting today, I'd pick the faceless content and digital product combo. It's cheap, scalable, and beginner-friendly. You don't need clients or followers, just content and consistency. Use these AI tools to help: ChatGPT for ideas, scripts, and posts, Canva for visuals and digital products, CapCut for editing short-form videos. Next, choose a niche that pays. Avoid random topics like motivation or lifestyle. Instead, find niches with buying intent. Good beginner niches in 2026 include making money online, health and fitness, and productivity. If I had to choose, I'd go with AI tools for making money and beginner side hustles. There's huge demand and it's easy to create daily content. Now, let's create content quickly using AI. Here's a daily workflow to follow. Ask ChatGPT for viral content ideas. For example, give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas. Pick one idea and create a script. Use tools like CapCut to put it all together. Add voiceovers with AI voice tools. Voila, you have content without overthinking. Remember, the key is to produce volume over quality at first. Post daily for a month to gather data on views. Your next step is to convert views into income. You need options to monetize. For example, create a digital product like Top 50 AI Tools or Beginner Guide to Making Money with AI. Keep it simple and price it low. Alternatively, consider affiliate links for products you use. Every video you post should generate traffic and income. Your final step is to scale what works. Avoid jumping between platforms. Double down on successful content only. Look for your most viewed and clicked videos. Keep doing more of that. You don't need 100 ideas. You need one solid system. At this stage, scale by posting 2-3 videos daily, repurposing content, and improving quality. Be patient. You won't make money overnight. Most beginners quit just before success. Here's what to expect over time. Week 1 to 2, learning and low views. Week 2 to 4, first viral video. Month 2 to 3, small sales or affiliate income. Continue consistently to see rewards. AI helps with execution, but consistency is key. You control what and how often you post. That's where the opportunity lies. Many will try AI briefly, but few will stick. Those who persist will succeed. So, starting in 2026, follow these steps. Pick a niche. Create daily with AI, monetize, and scale. No overthinking, no waiting. Start messy and improve fast. The successful aren't always the smartest. They are simply the ones who start. Now, it's your turn to apply what you've learned.